Welcome guys to Farm Boys again. Today we're going to use our neighbor's tractor. It's a Fordson power major, or it says diesel major, but it's got an engine swap to a 6-cylinder Perkins motor. So my brother's going to connect the slasher. I'm just going to show you guys around the tractor. Here's our 5,000 litre water tank that we got recently. So this tractor we're going to use to cut the grass today, and yeah, so we're going to just take the slasher, cut the fields where the horses are walking so they can pick up the grass when we're done cutting. So yeah, we're just gonna hook it and then go. So we're just done connecting the slasher. We're just gonna go now to the workshop to get the pin and the R clips on. But I'm going to take the tractor now. So I'm gonna do a start up, let you guys hear it. There's handbrake. Just check the diesel if it's on. Okay, it's on. Okay. Alright, thank you. There we go. Sounds good. There's like 2.5 bars of pressure on the oil, and it's not even picked up on the temperature. Just checking, how do you accelerate? Okay, so you pull it down to accelerate. Just need to check the lifters are on. Okay, so hydraulics are up. Okay, first gear. Just a little. Yes, it's a I'm not used to this. Just going to turn around on the left here before I go through the gate. I don't have the keys. So yeah, we're doing a thing for ponies. My mom's getting 2. We moved the chickens recently, so we moved the previous house where the chickens were to the ponies now. Yes. When you roll, it's nice and easy. When you're stuck, it's what a very difficult thing to turn. Very. You're gonna get keys. Oh, okay. Okay, so there's the lever to start the engine. Here's the off switch to engage the lifters. Here's where you lift up and down. There's a separate lever at the back where you engage and disengage the PTO, and then yeah, your high and your low range. Don't know if you guys can see there, but yeah. So let's go. Let's try second gear. Getting used to this Fordson. The winding, but the engine is very smooth. Yeah, the engine. So our tractor's in there by the workshop. I don't know if you can see, but we're doing the clutch on it and just replacing one of the thrust bearings. Let me show you guys how it looks. So he's got a weight on because he plows with it, and what happens is it just slowly lifts up and down like jumps. So he's just got a weight on to keep it down. But you guys hear how nice it idles and how it is. It's just awesome. So smooth. Let's see what a rev's like. Sure. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go turn around now. I think it hops like this because of the torque that this engine gives. It's been slipping on the sand. I'm not going to use the brakes. So the gas is struggles to shift from a high range to a low range. So I'm just driving it in low range the whole time. I don't want to fiddle around just because it's not my tractor. Okay, I'm going to lower it. I'm just going to stay on because I don't want to put these. I'm making handbrake. Don't know if you guys can see. It revs very quick, eh? Yeah. Ready? Alright. Oh, then it's not his stuff. Just be careful with your fingers. And the other side. Yeah, they're like rat traps, those things. No, he said don't go all the way. And he says don't drive with it, only when we're using it. Okay, ready. So nice and quiet. Here's our field, we're going to plant grass here. And then we're going to do it on the next field as well. I'm gonna keep a distance from the horses. But the horses are usually scared of a lot of things, so I don't just wanna bother them. Rather just keep my distance away while he opens. Good, now we're on our way. Got it in first. the chickens are down here with the fencing and the roof structure thing. And yeah, here's where the ponies are coming. Haven't finished that yet, but we're going to. The reason why we put our chickens there is because they would come in the house, and that's, my mom thought she could train them a bit with a water bottle, but it doesn't seem like it works. So yeah. Yes, where the horses are now. Still need to cut and make it nice and neat. But yeah, there's a lot of things happening here on the farm. A lot of videos still to come. There's my brother's bike track. Let's see if we can change to 5th. Okay, so this is 5th gear. Here on the left, because it's a lot thicker than that, the grass. Let's see if second will work. There we go. Now we're in second. That's the thing you have to learn, eh? Driving a tractor like this. Just gonna connect the PTO. Should I lower it or lift it? Going to use the handbrake. You think it'll fit like this?
Maybe.
Nope, won't fit. So I must drop it. With you, Anna? It's closer to you. I wonder about this thing. Unless just have it sideways. I think it should be fine like that. Still have to disconnect it.
Yep.
I must say it's a nice tractor, but all the struggles that it comes with.
Because it's modified.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Maybe disconnect it. We can leave that one on. There goes a whirlwind. Nice strong one. Yeah, ding the roof. Okay. Yeah. One. 2, 3. Oh man. It's on its max. And if we press that in more. Is it in its max? Let's take this one out. Okay, cool. Leave.
Take it out.
Leave. I don't want you to get hurt. Watch out your legs. Okay. Yeah, looks like it. Seems like it's a lot shorter. Nearly. There.
Not handed.
No, but it's fine. Now this side. Nearly. There. Okay. Firing. Yeah, I'm videoing. Slowly to first see because it's quite a bit of an angle, the slasher for the PTO shaft. It's not my favourite, but just going slowly with it. Added a bit of power. what I could have cut. Don't know what tree that is. I'm just gonna leave that to grow. So with our tractor we usually cut about 3rd, 4th gear. If it's nice and smooth, maybe 5th. Yeah, this one I'm not too sure about, so I'm just going in 1st gear. So you guys must let me know in the comments which one do you prefer, our Fordson Major or our neighbour's Fordson Major. I'd like to know which one you guys think is nicer. Well, maybe not about the niceness, but the engine and the sound. Maybe on the next course I'm gonna do 2nd gear to see. So far it cuts like a dream. The amount of torque this thing has, amazing. Let's see if we can do 2nd gear. Okay, now we're in 2nd. Just gonna give it a bit. Okay, so now we're in 2nd. Just wanting to add just a little bit. There we go. I mean, this is like 3% that I put. And it just pulls. Where our tractor you used to have like 25, maybe 50%. So I'm letting my brother take a spin with this thing. Just got the slash at the bottom. Just gonna let him get the hang of it. I didn't know it was in. Yeah, I didn't even know that was in. I forgot. I feel a bit stupid now, because I didn't see that. So it's exactly like the Fordson, but press halfway, your heel touch the floor. That's how he explained it to me. Put it in first. Yeah, it's hard. Okay, bit more. Just hold it like that. Just hold it. Okay. Very. And then release slowly. That's fine. Accelerate a bit. You feel it. Very little. Try and change to second. There you go. Hard on the steering, eh? But if you stand still or go slow, it's very, very hard. This engine actually comes from a combine or harvester. I will. So he's just going to try on top here. Just going to cut here, this field, the one that I've been doing. You'll get, yeah? You'll get used to this. Just to let you know, I don't lift it up a lot. Yeah, but it stays there. Just took the GoPro off the chest protector. Now you guys can see me. If it doesn't engage, just remember that lever at the back. Okay. He's not even accelerated. There he did. And it cuts so easy. There's a rock. Sure. Didn't know this would be here. Sure, two of them. You never know what you'll find in the fields. Rocks, implements, abandoned things. Anyway, wanted to balance it for you guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys at the bottom here how thick the grass is. The GoPro is a bit flat, so I'm gonna end it very shortly. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My brother's just gonna end off with this cutting here, but I just thought let me video for you guys So you guys can just see the tractor I've been mentioning about the whole time. When we were raking and all of that, we'll see this tractor ride up and down. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment what you guys think about this tractor and how it performs and that. Feel free to leave details on the engine. I think it's a Perkins 319 or something like that. But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys quick and then I'll end this video. So yeah, and it just cuts so nicely. Check here. I think it's Olam's grass or their grasses. Yeah. So I'm gonna end off with him going away from the camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, I hope to see you guys on the next one. Like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys, eh?